Day 3 in our wonderful Blood Red Parrot Cichlid world. The big fish outside is Rick, and we have Michonne in the little vase. But as you can see, they have laid some eggs, and they're turning white. So we're guessing that Rick is not sterile, or yeah, sterile. Rick is sterile. He's not going to be able to fertilize these eggs. So it's kind of a sad day if we're thinking what we're seeing is true. But as you can see, these guys are hungry. They're kind of excited, waiting for us to feed them. But yeah, day 3, the eggs are turning white. We're guessing that these eggs are not fertilized. Bummer, Rick. You're doing such a good job. Hi, Michonne.